Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm bringing you guys this purpley look, and I did this look using my Sugabee Cosmetics palettes. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and of course follow us on social media. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as always, I'm going to be starting with my VDL Lumilayer Primer, and I'm just gonna put that everywhere on my face and basically smooth that into my face. Okay, so I do have dark spots on my face, so I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit, and I'm taking that coral color to just basically color correct the dark spots. This is gonna make them look or seem like, you know, not as dark under my foundation, so that it kind of blends better and, you know, they don't peek out too much when I put my foundation on. So I'm going to be using this Covergirl Vitalist Elixir foundation in 657, and yeah, just putting that in with my brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend everything in with my sponge. And yeah, so basically I'm just putting that everywhere and just layering it up, because this foundation is not full coverage. It's like more like a medium coverage, but it's very buildable. So I just keep building it up, and then you're gonna see me in a few blending with my beauty blender, and then if I need to add some more, I'm gonna go back and add some more with my brush. I just don't blend with the brush because the brush leaves streak marks, so I need to find a better brush, foundation brush for me to use. But for now, I've been liking the beauty blender, so it's really not that deep, to be honest. Okay, so moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using my Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Medium Warm Golden, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm basically just putting that on my forehead, just a little bit on my forehead, and then on the bridge of my nose. Underneath my eyes is where I add the most, and just on my chin and underneath where I would normally contour. And I'm blending everything out with my beauty blender, obviously, and I'm just making sure everything sinks into my skin and underneath my eyes, in order to get to like the smaller areas closer to the inner part of my eye. I'm going to be using a smaller beauty blender, and this beauty blender is from Beauty by BD, if you don't know. I really like it. It's really soft, so you should definitely check them out. I will leave my code and the link to their website in the description box down below. But yeah, this is like really awesome, to be honest. So going back into my Anastasia contour cream kit, I'm going to be using those two colors, the cinnamon and chocolate, to cream contour my face. I use both of them because like the chocolate is a little too dark, and yeah, I don't like it on its own, so I just mix them both together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out with my beauty blender. And I think I forgot to mention, but my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit is in deep, I believe. I believe it's the palette that is deep, because that's the one that has like the best shades for my skin tone, or for someone that has like darker skin tone than me. Definitely check it out. Like, it's really good. I really like it. I'm just running out of some of the colors, so but other than that, I really like it, honestly. Okay, so guys, I'm so sad because I ran out of the Huda Beauty setting powder and I loved that powder. But for now, I'll be using the RubyKisses HD Set and Forget powder. And this is in the shade Banana. And I don't really like this powder because the flashback is real, but I'm going to show you how I fixed that. Then I also ran out of my Anastasia contour powder, so I'm going to be using this one from NICKAK New York, and it's their pressed powder in the shade Cocoa. And first I'm going to go ahead and just, apply this on the areas where I contoured and basically blend that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and also blend it over the areas that I highlighted. Mostly I'm gonna focus under my eyes, not so much on my forehead, but mostly under my eyes because that's the area that like the flashback is like real. So I definitely layer up underneath there, and after setting my face it looks good, guys. So next I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and for that the products haven't changed. I still use the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my brows first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in, and I'll also like make sure they're good and just correct them with my foundation and a brush when I'm done filling them in. So I had to go somewhere like when I was filming this look, so I just went ahead and popped some mascara on. But normally I would do the mascara like after doing my eyes, but just because I had to go somewhere I decided to still film this part. So yeah, basically I applied this mascara, and this mascara is the Maybelline Sensational Lash Mascara. I love this mascara, I swear by it. It's like amazing. It makes your lashes look so good, and my sister also likes it too. Like, I need to re-up on this because I think I'm starting to run low. But yeah, definitely if you're looking for something affordable, check out this mascara. It's like, I will say, one of the best drugstore mascaras. Like, I'm not even kidding, guys. Oh, and I forgot to contour my nose earlier, so that's what I'm doing here. But after this, I will be using my Duo blush, and basically the same as usual. I always use this blush, to be honest. Today I'm using a different palette to highlight. This palette is from Sugabee Cosmetics, and it's their Glow Me Sis palette. So I'm going to be using that gold shade to highlight, my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and like my cupid's bow area. And then that rose gold shade is going to be the shade that I'm using in my inner tear ducts. And yeah, I'm still gonna do it now because, like I said, I had to go somewhere. But this shade is gonna stay there also when I go ahead and do my eyes. So at this point I came back from running my errands. I will be using the Maziyah palette from Sugabee Cosmetics, and the shade you just saw me pointing to is MV. And I'm gonna basically pack this on into my crease and just, kind of make it pop a little bit, but not too much because it's more like I would say it's more like a base for the rest of the eyeshadow that's gonna come afterwards. So yeah, I'm just popping that like right above my crease, I would say, and just packing that on to my desired look. Still using my Maziyah palette, I'm going to go ahead into that shade called Pink Pearls, and I'm going to focus that on the outer / middle part of my eye. And at this point, like, I realized I wanted something a little deeper, so I'm going to go ahead and fix it a little later. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take that shade Gala, and this shade is kind of like a glitter shade, and it's kind of like a pinky purplish shade. I really liked it, like on, like it looked amazing. And I'm just gonna add that starting in the inner corner all the way to the middle part of my eyelid, and then using my Kamiah palette, I'm gonna take this shade African Orchids and focus that on the outer area of my eyelid. And guys, I like the names to these palettes, like to the shades of these palettes. I don't know, like, it's just like they got something special, you know? Next, I'm gonna set my face using this hard candy setting spray and apply my lashes by Prissy by Princess. So guys, this is the final look. I did go on and pop on my lashes off camera because, yeah, it's not a... Actually, today I did better though. I put them on like really quickly, which is a first for me. But yeah, I just put on my lashes by Minkies by Princess off camera. And they're in the style Dior. And I also did do my lips off camera. This is my go-to nude lip. I just literally used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour in Espresso to line my lips. And then I went ahead with this NICKAK New York True Matte lipstick in the color Santa Fe. And yeah, I literally kept it a matte lip for today because that's what I was feeling. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this look. It's something a bit more colorful, a bit different. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And of course, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with all your friends. Tell your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister to come subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys!